guys, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Pico's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be really fun. I'm so excited to be filming this. I did go back to Michael's, and as you can see, I got the grab bag boxes this time. So this is the second video of this series that I'm doing. The first video you guys really liked. I got a lot of views, and it was just so fun to make, and it's always so fun to see what you get inside. These are the clearanced items. They should be fall, Thanksgiving, and Halloween items in here, and it's just like a mix. You never know what you're gonna get. And I actually will be making a third video of this because I got some of the bags as well, but I wanted to do the boxes because I cannot wait to see what's in here. I'm sure that it's home decor and things like that because it's pretty heavy. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start unboxing these and see what I got. I just can't wait. Okay, I'm back and I moved some stuff around. So for the purposes of this video, I did cut all the seals so that way I don't have to take the time to cut, and we're still gonna go through all the boxes together because I can tell there's a ton of stuff in there. So I'm sure there'll be some repeats where I did get 4 boxes, but that's okay. I love fall. It's my favorite season, Halloween, Thanksgiving. So without further ado, let's do this. Okay. So this is definitely fall and Thanksgiving. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. This is a gorgeous fall tablecloth. I love this. This retails for $8.99. So right here, first item out of the box was worth the price of the box. So I love it. So pretty. So that is item number 1. Now, oh my God, there's some sealed stuff in here. Hold on. We have... Okay, so this is so cute. I love it. The white pumpkins, so modern, so cute. And this was $9.99, guys. Awesome. So let's see. Oh, I love these, the tins. So this says pick your own pumpkins, cider, hay rides, fresh pies. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This will be so nice to use as a cash pot for my plants. And this, $9.99. Wow. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, my goodness. There is, oops, a leaf just fell. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3 of these. They almost look like, I guess maybe acorns, acorn branches. There's 3 of them. Let me see what they're labeled. Hold on. Okay, so these are labeled fall, autumn, and it says stem and $9.99. So I got 3 of these. Super cool. Now there's some things in here that are sealed, so let me cut those seals and then we'll see what they are. Oh my God, you guys, this is amazing. Okay, so I opened it up. There's a little box in here like this, and it says, it looks like it's Celebration Thanksgiving Napkin Ring with Words, Gold Art. So we have these cute little, they're like the napkin holders. Grateful. I'm not sure if they all say the same thing. There's several of them in there. So let me pause and see, and then I can tell you exactly how many they are and what they say and if they all say the same thing. Okay, so there were 12 of these in the box. Oh my God. And they're $3.99 each. So I did get 3 words. I got the grateful, the thankful, and the blessed. So cool. Okay, so grateful right here. And I got 5 of them. This is the thankful. Take it out so you can see it. Super cute. So thankful. I got 3 of these. And then this one is the blessed, and I got 5 of these. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So pretty. So we are totally set for Thanksgiving and fall with the napkin rings. Okay, now this box. Okay, this says skeleton dog on bed, and it's from the Ashland collection. cute. Oh my goodness. These are from the Ashland collection. They're like these are the Halloween tiny treasures. So how cute is that? Oh my goodness. So it's like the dog bones on a bed. Originally $5.99. I have in here 1, 2. So I have 3 of these guys. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. And he's so cute. So this will be adorable for like, you know, my Halloween village that I have, or even fairy gardens, things like that. I'm so excited. I have 3 more of these guys, like 3 more boxes. So let's see what this is, and then we'll get into that so that this isn't like an hour-long video. Oh my God. This is what was so heavy. These boxes were heavy. Some of them more than others, and now I can see why. Are you ready? Oh my God. See how heavy it is? This is a porcelain, like, not porcelain. It says DIY plaster decor Halloween $14.99. So we can paint these. So Gianni and I can paint these, and we have 2. I have a feeling there might be at least one more set of these in one of these boxes because they're super heavy, but we'll see. Maybe there's something else we can paint, but I am so excited. This is awesome. So I have 2 of these. So that is box 1. Just blown away. Let's see what's in box 2. Okay, guys, box 2. Oh, this one's broken. This looks like there might be a few of the same things in there, but still, I can't wait to open this up. So let me do that. Okay, guys. Box 2 is awesome. So what I think I'll do is once I open up all of these boxes at the very end of the video, I'll tell you what the value of each box was. So this is box 2. Some repeats, but still totally psyched. Okay, so I got this, another one of these, and this is awesome. I love this. I absolutely love this. Again, $9.99. Pick your own pumpkin, cider, hay rides, fresh pies. So we got that. And I got more of those ceramic pumpkins. So I'm totally excited because I actually have a Halloween collab that I'm going to be part of. It's a year-long Halloween collab. So I'm getting some ideas, some DIYs maybe. And also we have a ton of fall birthdays and even Christmas. So I got 4 of these so far. Yeah. My fall birthday and like early Christmas shopping and Thanksgiving, a lot of this is going to be in here. I cannot wait for the Christmas bags either. I'm going to get a ton of those, so don't worry, there'll be more videos. So $14.99 times 2. Let me see what else I got. Okay. Another one of these. Yay. Love it. $9.99. This is new, and this here is new. So this is a cauldron, large cauldron. So tons of DIY ideas for this. I don't need to use it as a cauldron. In my house, I've said this a million times, we do spooky. We don't do scary yet. We don't do stuff like that because Gianni's just turned 8. So I have tons of DIY ideas for this, but super, super cool. It's pretty sturdy too. And $12.99. And I love this. This is like glitter gourds. So gorgeous. I love these. There's not a price on these. Hopefully there's another one in another one of the boxes, but still, yeah, psyched. So a few more things in here. Oh my God. Another one of these, which is awesome because I can use this as a background. I like to put up backdrops, or we have multiple tables in the house, or even just to film on. So excited about this. Love it. $8.99. And I did not say, so this is 52 inches by 70 inches. I don't remember the size of the other one. Probably the same. That's really nice. And, okay. So this one has some different picks in it. These are beautiful. I love these. They're like purple painted palms. I'm not sure if they're just called stems again. These are $9.99 each, and they are part of the Ashland Fall Collection. I got 3 of them. Gorgeous. So box number 3. Let's do this. So I did find this at the bottom of the box when I was moving it. I believe this is probably for the pumpkins, and it says 12-piece, yeah, decor pumpkins, and it was $9.99. Awesome. Okay, so that was box number 2. Let's get box number 3. Okay, Box number 3 is here. It might be easier to just unload and do like this now that the height is gone. So box number 3. This has some new stuff in it and I'm psyched. Look at this. This is hysterical and it's absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. I have so many ideas for this. Okay, this is $14.99. So super cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, that right there was worth it. Oh cool. Okay, more fall, Halloween. Ready for my Halloween party, guys. This says 12 count. So cute. They almost look marbleized, and they're with the different colored pumpkins. It's a bat, spider web, and a cat. And is there a price? $4.99. More of those purple gorgeous ferns. 3 more, and those again were $9.99 each. Okay, looks like, hold on, let's see. More pumpkins. So now I have 6 of these ceramic pumpkins. I'm so psyched. No more words for that. I already told you the price. We already talked about them. More napkin rings. Let me pause this and see how many I got. Okay, so 3 blessed. There's 5 of the grateful. These are all $3.99 each. And 4 of the thankful. So yeah, 12 again. That's awesome. Okay, now this, oh my, more. So I'm gonna assume that it's the same, but let's just count and see how many there are. Probably 12, because these, I had to open these in between when I was cutting in between when I was moving them. I did open all the boxes. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. So 12 more of these guys. This is awesome. I even gifts. Maybe I'll do some giveaways, you know, some prizes for that. Super cool. Oh my God, yay. Another one. So 3 of these. And, which is awesome, because if this is your first time watching my video, welcome. Thank you so much. I have tons and tons of plants in my house, so I always can use those types of pots. More dogs on bed. 3 more of them. Again, prizes, giveaways, things like that, or gifts. So excited. So, not a bad box. Let's do box number 4 now, and then we will total up everything. Okay, so cool. Box number 4 is different. I don't even think there's any repeats in here, so super cool. This is awesome. Love it. So, and it actually is really pretty too, because there's even detailing here. I think these are so cute. $19.99. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is, oh, cute. I've seen these in other videos. The Color in Crown for Thanksgiving. It's a turkey. So cute. Arts and crafts. Gianni will have a blast. $2.99. Some buckets. Plastic like pails. There's 2 of them. $1.99 each. And then this is, let's see. It says Ghosts with Candy Corn Royal. Okay, so these must be, yep. Cool. These are for like cupcakes, cakes, things like that. There are 4 of them in here. I was hoping I'd get some baking supplies. Oh, these are so cute. They're holding a candy corn. Look how adorable. So, okay, so awesome. So these are edible. These are awesome for cakes, cupcakes, parties, things like that. Where is the price? No price. So these have no price. I'm going to look on the website and see if there's something similar or if these are still on the website, but still, great deal. And let's see what else we got. Okay. What is this? These are $3.99 each. says Googly Eyes. Oh, okay. Like the little scary eyes. You can use them for like, honestly, they look like cat's eyes or dinosaur eyes, things like that. 12 pieces. So 12 pieces for $3.99, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 6 of these. Cool. These are always fun for parties and crafts. Oh, cool. This is different. So I got 2 of the white ones. Now I have this one. Really pretty colors too, and I love how they look a little distressed. Yeah, $9.99. Okay, last thing is charger plates. Now these are pretty cool. I think these are gorgeous. These are so pretty. Servers. I'm not sure. I could use them, you know, to put a plate inside. I also could use them to like display things for filming. Tons and tons of uses and ideas for these. Looks like I got a 6-pack. Yep, 6-piece. $12.99, and that is the last item in my 4th box. So now I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to see what each box was approximately worth. Before I paid $20 plus tax for these, but let's see what they actually would have been had I bought the items not on sale, and then we'll do the outro. Okay, so I did some digging on these, and $8.99 is what it looked like. They are out of stock, but it did say $8.99 was full price. A lot of them are $6.99, but maybe they're smaller packs. So 12 count, $8.99. So with that price and the rest of the items in box number 4, $110 before discounts. Not bad for $5. Now 3, 2, and 1, and then the total. Box 3 was $154. Box 2 was $186. Okay, so I added all the boxes together. One of the boxes was $112, $186 for the second box, $110, and then $154 for a total of $512 before any savings. So $20 for a value of $512. Definitely worth doing. I'm just so excited. I got so many cool things. And like I said, I do have a 3rd video in this series coming out because I did do some more grab bags. But guys, what do you think? I think I did pretty good. I think there's some awesome fun stuff in there. So that does conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't seen the first video in this series, I'm going to put a link to it down below. Go ahead and watch that so you can see all the fun arts and crafts and cool items that I got in the first group of bags that I got. And be sure to look for the next video in this series where I go through 4 more grab bags. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Thank you.